I think you canceled it. Start over again.
This time I got this for my earrings. I can get it open. You got the. I gotta get it open.
The kind of instruction manual.
You got this. This is part right here. You.
Lazy Susan. A Lazy Susie.
And you open it up. Got this part is something for the top part. You got this part. And this goes like that. And this goes.
It's so easy, Keith. I can do it.
I gotta line this thing first.
So easy, Keith. I can do it, Donna.
And I'm gonna put my earrings on it because I don't want to keep it in this box.
I can't believe it's so expensive and it's such a cheap thing. I think she got like $2. Like $10, wasn't it?
Like that.
Go get earrings.
Okay, I'm gonna put this down right here.
And start another video and you can start putting earrings on it.
Yeah, okay, ready?